fuzzy wuzzy because the sheaths are fuzzy and wuzzy. There's a similar one, like the fruits look really similar. It's called Carex bushii. That sometimes like grows in the same spot, so I like to check. Usually it's sort of done and is already dispersed by now, but since there's a little bit left, we could grab some.
Okay.
These two look very similar, but this one's a lot more tightly packed. And when you look at the actual fruits, they're pretty different shape. So this one is Carex franchii with the little sort of, they're like coffin shaped almost.
Yeah.
And then the lurida is a lot bigger. And it's
Pointier.
a diamond, yeah. And then this matures sooner than the franchii, so this will kind of fall right apart in your hand. And these guys aren't really ready yet.